Today we're taking a close look at this recliner cover seat that the team very kindly sent through to me to try. This is a really pretty leaf patterned design. It does come in 5 different colours and 4 different sizes as well, so you will find one that works for you. These are really great if you have a sofa that perhaps you want to give it a little bit of a refresh. Maybe the style isn't as you want it to be, or maybe you want to protect it from damage. Maybe you've got kids or pets, or someone's a bit messy in your house and you want to give it a little bit of a protection from them, or just decorate seasonally as well. So if you want to maybe change the colorway up in the spring or the winter, you can do that with these. It comes in different sections. It's fully elasticated, so it will fit on really nice and snug. On the side there's a little pocket as well. So if you do want to pop in there your magazines and your remotes, that's a really handy little touch. And when you need to, you can just remove it really easily and just pop it in the wash to keep it nice and clean, or change it out for another design. Thank you again to the team for very kindly reaching out to us. We really do appreciate this. Is a absolutely lovely design, and thank you for watching.